Hey everyone, welcome. We are just a few days before we celebrate the 4th of July, so I had to do a quick little run today to pick up a couple of things I want to have on hand while my bestie is here. She's coming in on Thursday, July 3rd, so several days together. I'm so excited about it. And a couple of little, things to just mark the holiday that I picked up today while I was out and about. And more importantly, I wanted to share with you the first Sprouts clearance veggie haul that I've managed in months. Let's start with Walmart. I ran in there to get some basil because I have mowed through all of my basil. It's so hot here in South Florida. I may try replanting some herbs just to see how they do. But meanwhile, I'm loving the summer salads with basil, and I couldn't believe how much this guy was. Call it $14. But it was either this or one half that size for $10 or one that had about 6 leaves on it for $4. Oh, I just held my nose and bought it because I know I am going to really enjoy this. And there are several different stems in there, if you can see. So several different plants that I can trim down to eat off of, and it'll grow back. That was one thing at Walmart. The other thing I went in there for was some more vinca, the white and pink or white and purple, however you want to call the center color, because those are the only flowers that are really holding up well for me in this heat, with the exception of marigolds. But I have found that the strobilanthus that I put around my rosemary for color is just not handling the heat very well. I decided to burn the strobilanthus so it's facing east in those big pots on the patio, and that way they're not getting full blasting sun on them all day long. I wish I'd thought of that a little sooner, but And meanwhile, I want a little more color. So long story short, I went into Walmart. That Walmart in St. Lucie West, their garden center was half empty, and they had 0 impatiens in the little pots, 0 vinca. Only vinca I could have bought was in great big hanging pots for like $15. So long story short, I saw this over on the clearance, which I have bought a couple small pots of this. This is so pretty, so delicate, and it has held up okay in the heat. I got it on clearance for $5. Woohoo! And then the other thing I got on clearance at Walmart, which I was so surprised, they had all of their outdoor pillows that they have in that big metal cage in the Walmart Garden Center, usually $5. Well, they had these all for $2 today. Just for the 4th of July, I got a couple of cushions to throw on the chairs my bestie and I will be sitting in. And then I thought this was so cute because, I like the yellow for summer. And the other one is kind of creepy, kind of fun. Be kind. So $2 for each of those. And just to show you my receipt here really quick, there's the pillows, the plants. I spent $27. I went across the parking lot to Sprouts. On my way in the door, I saw they had these electrolyte waters in a refillable metal bottle. I'm going to worry about refilling them, but my bestie and I will be going to the beach. And, normally I'm very frugal. I paid $3 a bottle. Crazy money for me. But I thought it'd just be fun to have those at the beach this weekend. And my bestie can take one home as a souvenir if she wants. So on with the clearance veg, you guys. Look at this. I am so thrilled. They did not have broccoli slaw today, but they did have these teriyaki veggie kits. And there's kale in there and a lot of broccoli slaw, if you ask me. So these were on clearance. Let me look at my receipt. I want to tell you they were $1.50. And these Brussels sprouts were $1.50. So I got 2 of those. My bestie loves her Brussels. And this salad kit was $1. Because, you guys, my kale is just looking so sad out there. I've eaten around on it as much as I can, but it needs replanting. And I got this bag of spinach for $1. It looks pretty good for saying it was on clearance. Doesn't look slimy. Hopefully it lasts all week long. So that was my Sprouts run. Let's look at that receipt. Of course, I spent $6 on the water. I spent a total of $13, so almost half of that was the water. And then there's the Brussels, the spinach, and the stir fries. Oh, those were only $1. Woohoo! So yeah, you know, these are normally like $5 a bag here, so that would have been 10. These would have been 8. This would have been at least 3 or 4. This would have been 3 or 4. So I saved probably at least $20 to $25 getting all of this on clearance. And I got a little 4th of July, so I'm happy about that. And then right next door to Sprouts, we have our Dollar Tree. And I just popped in there hoping they might have some little bit of 4th of July stuff left. The sad thing is I've been popping in and out of Dollar Tree a bunch the last month and should have picked stuff up while they had it, but their 4th of July aisle was pretty much empty. I did manage to find this little bit of stuff, which I plan to put in my centerpiece of my potted plant out there on my patio. And then these I plan to hang on the patio as well. And just got to do a little duding up, plus my pillows. So that's my big haul for the day, you guys. I hope you're finding some clearance and some good sales out there. A lot of us have company for the holiday, and those groceries add up quick, don't they? And my bestie and I will be eating good, taking beach walks. Looking forward to it. Hope you guys have a fantastic holiday too. I'm going to go dude up the patio, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So starting on the outside, this is my summer wreath that I stuck a couple flags in. And I picked up this rug at Hobby Lobby last week when I got a couple other things for the patio. Everything's half price. That's 4th of July, of course. And I haven't done much inside, just a couple small touches because, you know, it's the 4th of July. I'm not trying to go to a lot of work, right? So I put my basil plant here on my tray and a little flag star in the middle of it. I picked up these pretzels from Walmart. I like those because they hold up well for a while. Editing Sherry, popping in here to show you these fun 4th of July flowers that I picked up at Publix this morning. I think they were $15. I'm really enjoying these. I normally don't do fresh flowers. The only drawback is the blue dye. Be careful if you buy these. Wear gloves. But otherwise, I like them. And then I changed out my runner just to get a fresh one on there and decided to put some red and white cloth napkins on the table. You know, I have red and white plates and chargers and all of that, but again, I'm just trying to keep it simple. Just a few small touches. It's just me and my bestie trying to enjoy the holiday weekend, right? So now let's take a look at these Dollar Tree and Walmart doodads out here. I picked up those banners. They were 1 in a package for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And, you know, maybe they look a little hokey. And I actually ended up really liking these pillows that I picked up at Walmart. And you might have seen a prior video where I did this red, white, and blue flower arrangement. And I stuck some little flags in there. I think that's really fun. I'm really enjoying that. And I am just glad I made the little bit of effort. So when we sit out here with our morning coffee, we can enjoy it. I stuck those little sparkler stems in this fern along with another star flag, and I put my Taurinia here on the metal stand. Ellie thinks it looks good, and I picked up a couple more of these impatiens in red because mine had fallen off. And so yeah, I'm just enjoying having a little bit of color out here. Normally, you know me, I'm all about the neutrals. Cat toys, those got to go. I had to sweep the patio so I could film for you guys. My bestie wouldn't have to look at all the dirt. My patios are hard to maintain. So yeah, these pillows, $2. I don't know if that's the case at all Walmart's, but if you need some new indoor-outdoor pillows, you might want to have a look-see in the garden center. And anytime you can get 5 indoor-outdoor pillows for $10, you better snap it up, right? Thank you all for stopping by today. I hope you have a fantastic 4th. And I'll see you on the next video.